Next, find, or you can call it solve or simplify anything. Minus x 5x square y into minus 2 by 3 x square yz into 8 by 15 x yz square into minus 1z upon 4, or directly minus z upon 4. Now there is a into sign in between. Okay, so you can directly multiply each other. What happens? 5 1s are 5 3s are 3 over here. Then 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 over here. Then what? 2 1s are 2 4s are, right? So below what remains? 3 and 3, so 9. Okay, above what remains? This 4. 2 1s are 2 4s are this 4. Okay, now sign. Minus into minus plus, plus into plus plus, plus into minus minus, so minus sign. Now x square into x. Always here, when you multiply these x square, x cube, x with each other, all these indices, this is called as index, these indices get added. So 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, so x raised to 4. Y raised to 1, y square means 1 plus 2 3, and then y again plus 1 4. Again for z square z, so it becomes z raised to 4. This cancellation is easier part, that's why I have not shown it in details. 5 1s are 5 3s are, 4 1s are 4 2s are, then 3 3s are 9, and this 2 2s are 4. That's it. That's why I have not shown the